So I bet you're wondering why I am in Home Depot. Look, I don't know about where you live, but where I live, it is cold. Hey y'all, welcome to day 21. Yes, 21 consecutive days of showing up. And yes, I am in Home Depot today. People say to me, I never know where you're going to be each day, but I never know where I'm going to be each day either. I was so cold last night. Like freezing cold. The temperatures dropped quickly, and I went to turn my heat on, and not only did it not blow warm air, it didn't blow at all. And I'm like, ew, what is going on? I'm so used to when I need heat, I go to the thermostat, I program it to the temperature that I desire, and it blows. Well, not this time. So yeah, I had to bundle up last night and add like an extra layer for warmth, for something as simple as a dirty filter. A dirty filter blocked my furnace from blowing warm air into my house, causing me to be cold all night long. So let's apply that to life. The craziest part about it all, these filters are like $10. $10, cheap. Something so small, so simple. In life, think of all the things that we need to replace or filter that's blocking our blessings from flowing into our house. No, really. I know it may sound a little corny or even a little cliche, but it's real. But like with anything, every lesson has a bigger message. I saved myself a lot of money possibly by simply learning that I needed to replace the filters leading to my furnace in order to get proper heat. This experience made me ask myself, what else do I need to replace? What else is dirty? What else is clogged up? Is there anything else blocking my life? Is there something keeping me from receiving a blessing? Is it something keeping me from receiving anything? What should I remove? Do I need to replace dirty old friends or people? Or I may need to change my mindset. Either way, I know I'm about to change this filter, because your girl will not be cold again tonight. And if this filter change does not fix the heating situation, someone will be out here to do it. So I hope you have a great day and stay warm, stay safe, be blessed, and be a blessing. Respectfully, Tash.